I'm at a park and it is coming down. Had to get back in the car.
Animals do you think are
Oh boy, good old Howard's turn. Someplace Yukon, Oklahoma, just outside of Oklahoma City, just on the highway a little bit. Anyway, using this because it is pouring, so I had my water, took the water kit with me anyway. I could have sworn I saw some sunlight was gonna come out. Oh boy, get the wires in the way. And anyway, it stopped raining and I jumped out. It did say it was gonna rain again, start raining again. And boy, they were right, because it just started coming down. Anyway, got into this little tot lot for a second before it came down, probably a good half hour. And so far, it's kind of what I pulled up. What do we got here? A giant diamond earring. Boy, gosh, I'm not kind of. This is not going to be easy. Anyway, picked up 12 cents, and again, look how tiny this is, man. Cool. Just using basic one. Didn't lower the sensitivity this time. Changed one little setting, but just to get the tones a little better, but that's it. You can tweak these factory settings. Really nice. Put that in there. Mustache. And then here we go. I did not have the camera on me. As you can see, it's wiggling around. I know it's not chest mounted. It's like a little bit of, looks like a little bit of fool's jewelry, but whatever. It's nice. Nice find. You can find all kind of things to talk about stuck in the car. Another thing DEUS sent was kind of like a screen protector, but it looked like it fit the whole unit. And once you lay it down, there were no depressions for these buttons. So if you laid, to me, if you laid this or the screen protector all the way across, and it was laying, you know, tight and flat, how the hell, I don't know how you would depress these buttons. You would struggle, I think, at it. Anyway, I decided the buttons are good, safe, so I cut it. So now I have two pieces of film I can use whenever. So this is the, there was one on here originally, and I thought it was maybe factory, but I think it was the screen protector. Anyway, once you peel it back, that's it. You get it. It's a one-time use, man. So I saw this in the box, and I just said, okay, let me check it out. And I cut it, and this is the first half. And then if I ever need it more or do it again, I've got the second piece ready to go. So again, I cut it. These buttons are safe. I don't, you know, the screen is the biggest thing, because every now and then I'll be jigging or something, and I did it to the Mind Lab. I think I actually, you know, whacked it with the hand trowel. All right, got an 88 here, and let's see what it is. Don't hear it. Don't hear it. Finally stopped raining. I left. Went to Chick-fil-A. Got something to eat. It's right here. What is it? Still in there, or is it here? Oh, penny. Okay. Yeah. 97, 99. I guess I'll just put this junk in this pocket. Says it's down here. Let's see what it is. I got a feeling it's more junk. It's gonna be a pull tab, or it keeps moving. There it is. Whatever it is, it's silver. A piece of slaw. What is that? It is a sinker. One of those little shot sinkers that you pinch in the back, and then you pinch, and when you get your line through the slot, you pinch the front. You see these two little, these gloves are like way over, but you see those two little tabs on the end, you just squeeze those, that opens the front. Okay, that was giving a weird reading. All right, it was like 99. I was like, but it was choppy, very choppy. Hey, get that all cleaned up for the kids. They're all coming soon. Save that. All right, away we go. Not sure what this is, but it's got a design on it. It was showing 50, but we'll test this. This isn't foil. It's a lot stiffer than foil, but I don't know what it is, but it's got a design on it, so that's going to get tested for silver. I don't see a mark in there, but it looks like it's broken, so I'm looking for the other half, and we'll get to it here in a second. All right, here we go. Next target. Got an 85. Did I kick it? I think I just kicked it because the tone goes from sharp to, and it just flattens out. Real flatty, meshy tone. Sounds really well. Where are you? Come on out. Gonna be right here. Sometimes you move this mulch around, you're moving the coin around, you don't know. See if we can get a little help. Where are you? Here you are, right here. I'm looking in the wrong area. It's gonna be right under here. It's gonna be a penny, I'm sure. There it is. All right, buried in the old stuff. Okay. All right. Yeah, so I got a little piece of silver, and on the back side of this little, up there, you know, just it's a very small area, but it's just taking my time because just getting used to the numbers, and I'm already getting a good feel for it already. Oh boy, maybe I shouldn't have. Another 86 here. Shouldn't have left so soon. Maybe we should have checked around. Little coin spill. You're right here. Right there. Come on out. There it is. All right, got another one. These are all newer Lincolns. Anything else? All in here. That's it. Okay. Put that away. So yeah. What else? This is a new machine for me. Day number 2. Put 8 hours on it. What else? This is a new machine for me. Day number 2. Put 8 hours on it. And already. And really like it. Like I said, I've already got the Mind Lab on YouTube, eBay for sale, so that thing has found me a lot as well. But for sure there was a bit of a 3031, but I was just having issues with the sound, and not to beat a dead horse, but man, oh man, was I having. Just sounded like block, you know, in your mind, I guess. But where are you? Heard you for a second. Oh, okay, real light piece of gum foil. Okay. Sounded good though. Sounded like it's pretty popping in there. I'm using the waterproof kit. I think I showed you in the car because I don't know if it's going to rain again. It sure does look it. And the headphones. I do not like the headphones. Nope, not me. They're like in-ear buds, but I don't know. Maybe I may be wearing them wrong. Can't keep them in my ears. Keep folding out and moving and. '81 under the wet leaves. Let's see if we can figure out what this is. Picking it up right there. Okay, you're right here. Probably a penny or something. What is it? Is that red thing? No. It says it's right here. Where are you? And this is it. And it says pocket. Well, who knows what it is. But here's a little something. It's got folded. I don't know if I can fix it. Let me, let's see what that says. I don't think it's any kind of. Looks like that's glue in the back. On this guy here, so boy, I don't know. That's definitely glue in the back, so oh, just broke it. Shoot. Well, doesn't matter. So this is pod something, or yeah, POD. I am right. No. I don't know. Podium. It's like a whirlpool thing, but oh well. That was there underneath here. Not sure what it is, but okay. Got a little metal. Not what we're looking for, but hey, why not? All right, let's go to the next target. Coming in at 77, but I'm starting to realize that even the 77s here are a little. Oh, where are you? You were pretty loud there a second ago. Maybe it's a little deeper. I think this one's a little deeper. There it is, right there. All right, let's get it out of the ground. Screaming. It's a gold tap. It's like a bottle cap. Oh yeah, that's what it is. It's a ring pull, and they do come in at that number. Good. All right, so that would be 77. All right, junk. All right, I didn't see it until the coil passed it, but here it is. H and go. Wasp boy. Look at this. Look at this. What is some kind of hearing? Hopefully that's all gold wire, but well, I don't see any corrosion on it, but we'll check it on the surface. Okay, that is some hearing. It reminds me of the 70s when they had some of those curtains that covered the doors, had those beads. Yeah. Oh well. Let's see the wife run and grab this one, huh? It's ugly. All right. Hey, it's a earring. Let's see what else. That was a coil went over. I didn't see it, but coil went over it, and I looked, and there it was. So I just saw this piece of junk. All right, here we go. Sounds weird. See, it's a 26 this way. No, actually, lied 4550. It's a 73 this way, but it kind of a weird. Did it move it? Now that sounds better. 68. 62. Yeah, I cleaned whatever I did. Was there something else on top? No. It's right there. Okay. It should be right here. And it just disappears. Where the hell did it go? And it's here. What is that? Not sure what that is. If it's a little piece of jewelry. Tiny, but it sounded tiny in the 67. Inside this little barn. Got this little bell. A little trinket. If I can grab it. So, aluminum bell. Hang on to that. Okay, got some coinage down here. 1 penny. All right. That ain't it. Screaming 64, 65. Load my pocket this time. 64, 65. There it is. What is that? A little trinket. Oh, look what we got here. Little owl earring. Another earring, huh? Thought I saw another piece of silver in there. Okay, put that in the pocket. There it is. Alright, penny. Oh, what is this? It's not a penny. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a nickel. There's face. He's coming out. Alright. Got a nickel. Alright, guys. Looks like we got some coinage here. 92. There it is. Penny. Penny at 92. Really? Old Lincoln. Okay. We'll take it. 93 right here. Is it a dime? There it is. It is a dime. I'll take that. Yeah. Alright. Get in here. Empty his pocket soon. Pocket's getting full. There I am again. Hunting with a pocket. Like a dummy. Okay. Something really small here, but okay. Well, that cleared that out. Got an earring out of there. Some plaid. Not bad. Showing up on 95. deep down in here. Okay, looks like it's out. There it is. What we got? Oh, second quarter for the DEUS. Goodness, that's a shiny one. Gonna give you an idea. It looks like, yeah, that's the toddler lot, I guess. And then this thing, huge. All right, let's see if we can go find any goodies in here. I think I spend entirely too much time. I don't know. I guess just the way I hunt. But I spend a lot of time in there, man. Got an 87. So should be seeing a penny here. Right here. Where are you? Okay, there it is. Oh, what is that? That is some kind of foreign coin, or let's see. CC. Some kind of token. No cash value. Oh, please. One large pepperoni pizza. What do you say? CC's Pizza. I don't know what that is. Is there CC's Pizza? I guess. Not sure. All right. Well, we got a CC's Pizza token. Possible dime. Let's see, a 92, 93. Good strong signal, so it should be right here. Where are you? Come on out. Come on out. There it is. Okay. Yes, indeed. Got a dime. Sounds like we got a penny right here. All right, let's get it. Where are you? Huh. There it is. Keep knocking it backwards. That's coming up 50. I think it's just costume jewelry, but great. Passed up a lot of 50s because the first 150s I dug, well, not really 100, but I think the first 10 I dug were all foil junk. 92. Let's get that bad boy out of there. Should be. I shouldn't need the pinpointer. It was. Come on. No. Maybe I need the pinpointer. I thought it was right, gonna be right here, like a new one. All right. Where are you? There you are. Okay. Oh, it's a penny. Another copper, though. He's not a zinky. Oop. All right. On to the next.